Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 INFINITI Q70L. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 3.7 V6 with 330 horsepower and 270 pounds of torque. 20-inch aluminum wheels. 3.7 badging on the side. Black leather interior. Bose sound system. Sunroof. Q70L badging. Opening up the tailgate. Cargo net. Clean set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Keyless entry. Memory seats. Blind spot assists. Illuminated door sills. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A push start ignition. Navigation. Surround view backup camera with sensors. Dual climate controls. Radio. 7-speed automatic transmission. Different driving settings. Heated and cooled seats. Cup holders. This Q70L has 14,533 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this INFINITI Q70L, check out feldmannimports.com.